Welcome to Craft today, and here we're going to create Zomboni in Infinite Craft. First up, combine fire with water to get steam, which mixed with fire creates engine. Combine that with earth to create tractor, which mixed with earth gets us farm, which combined with earth creates field. Mix that with steam to get fog, which mixed with water creates ice. Combine that with field to get hockey, then mix two wind elements together to create tornado, which mixed with hockey gets us hockey apocalypse. Alright, then we're going to combine hockey with engine to create Zamboni, and for the final step, combine hockey apocalypse with Zamboni to create Zomboni. That's how you make Zomboni in Infinite Craft. Hope you like this video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe to the channel for more Infinite Craft videos.